What is your job look like today? Thank you for your question. For me, a job day is day when I complete my task. Um, Example, in the morning when I wake up, the first thing I want to do is to drink my water. Then I want to warm up my body by yoga around 5 minutes. After that, I want to sit on the bed, don't do anything like meditation around 10 minutes. After finish three things, I feel wow, is my life. I feel alive. I feel more energized and reduce the stress in the evening or at night when I complete my task. Every morning I try to write down the task need to do around three tasks in sport to must to finish. When evening when I complete time for working and I check, wow, you already finished which task need to do and very productive and meaningful because I finished my task. This the task get the value for my job, value for my company, and value for my colleagues. So I feel very happy mm, and meaningful. Uh, then one thing which important when I finish my task for working, so I still got the time, the balance time for do more thing I want, like uh, learning the English, like read book or chatting with my friend. Thank you.